It's with great pleasure that I enter in your house today. Yeah, we are back to the teaching, which brings the number. Yeah, which numbers today? Yeah, it's the number 18. So I greet you all who are listening at home, you who are listening to this teaching. So we are back to this moment in which we can listen to this teaching. So you who are watching TV, the TV is not working right now because there was a problem. Because I have given you instruction, you had better be accustomed to watch the